Solving linear equation by substitution method. This method transposes one value or term in any of the two equations. So, ang ating given, 3x plus y equals 8. Itong ating equation 1. 3x minus 2y equals 2. Itong ating equation 2. Now, any of this equation, tatranspose lang tayo ng term. Example, itong ating i-transpose itong equation 1. Rewrite muna natin itong equation 1. Then, transpose natin yung x term dito sa right side. Okay, ganito po. Isolate natin yung y, then equals, copy itong 8. Then, transpose itong 3x, become negative 3x. Ngayon, ito na ang ating equation 3. Ngayon, ang ating equation 3 ay ating lang substitute. So, let us say itong equation 2. Substitute natin, ganito po. Then, just copy lang natin itong 3x. Itong nasa parenthesis, ating simplify. Okay, so negative 2 times 8, that is negative 16. Then, negative 2 times negative 3x, that is positive 6x, then equals 2. Ngayon, mag-combine na tayo ng like term. So, itong 3x, then plus 6x equals 2. Itong negative 16, transpose dito sa kabila, magiging positive 16. Then, add na natin, 3x plus 6x, that is 9x, equals, itong 2 plus 16, that is 18. Then, divide natin both side by 9. So, isolate itong x. Itong 9 cancel out na ito. Then, itong 18 divided by 9, that is 2. So, itong ating value ng x equals 2. Since may value na tayo sa ating x, ngayon, itong value ng x, ating lang substitute sa any of the two equation. So, let us say equation 1. Dito natin siya i-substitute. Ganito po. Ngayon, ating nag-simplify. 3 times 2, that is 6, plus y equals 8. Ngayon, isolate natin itong variable y. Then, copy itong equals 8. Itong 6, transpose natin dito sa right side. Mula sa positive, magiging negative 6. Then, ating nang subtract. Just copy itong y equals 8 minus 6 equals 2. So, itong ating value ng y equals 2. Ngayon, check na tayo. By checking, balik lang tayo sa ating original na equation. Ating lang substitute ang value ng x at saka yung value ng y. Ganito po. Ating na simplify. 3 times 2, that is 6.